Hey everybody, this is Michael and
Blane.
And we're the GNomad Guys. And so today, we figured we're doing some food, why not do a cocktail? So today we're actually making I'm going to call it a special gin and tonic. It's actually something we first discovered when we were going through the Lisbon airport in Portugal, and we happened to be at the lounge, and the bartender was making this awesome drink, and I was like, what is that? And she's like, it's gin and tonic. I'm like, that's not a gin and tonic, it's something a little bit different. So we're actually going to duplicate what that is today. So the first thing you're going to need are some juniper berries, and these are probably a little bit harder to come by. I found them here all over the place in Portugal. So we're going to do 3 juniper berries, so 1, 2, and 3. And if you can't find the juniper berries, not a big deal, but that does help enhance the flavor. So we also have a bar spoon here, also really handy if you're doing cocktails. The one end down here, you might have not realized, is actually a muddler, and the other end is for stirring. And then actually you can actually run liquor down here to do some special tricks, so that we're not going to do any of that fancy stuff today, but we are going to use the muddler. And we're just going to just take a quick little crush of those juniper berries in there, just a tiny bit, don't have to go too crazy in there. And we also have a really nice fancy gin glass. So these are an official gin glass. If you're looking for a gin and tonic, you'll see them. And then the other ingredients we're going to add is going to be a peel of an orange. Now the nice thing is that we have beautiful oranges here in Portugal, and when you do your peel, do it right over top of the drink. That way you get a little bit of the oil kind of into the glass. We're also going to do a peel of lemon. Again, same thing, put that right over top of the glass. And here's another pro tip. Sometimes you get these lemons, sometimes you get the oranges, you start taking the peels off, you don't get to use it all. Just peel the whole thing and put it into a resealable bag and put it into the freezer, and then just bring them out as you need to. I mean, not only that, are they already frozen? You can add them to your drink and they're ready to go. If you have them fresh, great. We use a lot of citrus when we're abroad, so that's gonna be something we're gonna see a lot of. Also, we're gonna add in 1 cinnamon stick. Now this is where it gets kind of odd. You're probably thinking, a cinnamon stick, really? The flavor between the gin and the cinnamon is actually really, really good. We also have 1 nice ice cube here. We're gonna put that on top. And then to this, we're gonna add a little bit more than 2 ounces of gin. I like a heavy pour, Blane likes a heavy pour. So if you do have drinks with us, you're probably gonna see it being a little bit heavier for that. So we're gonna add that beautiful gin here. We're actually using actual local Portuguese gin here. It's something that you can't get anywhere else. It's only here, super special, but the gin that you like is the gin that you're gonna use for your gin and tonic. And then finally, we're gonna add typically whatever you put in for your gin, you're gonna use double the amount of your favorite tonic. So we're gonna add this in here and top off your tonic, probably about 4 ounces. So it looks like I got a perfect pour there. We're gonna take our bar spoon, give it a nice little stir there, and so you see some bubbles, and we have some good bubbles going on there. And so this is gonna be our amazing special gin and tonic with lemon peel, juniper berries, orange peel, cinnamon stick, gin, and tonic. So some amazing things here. So like we like to say, tomorrow is never promised.
Live for today.
So cheers to you all. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, so good. The natural citrus and the cinnamon there just make it taste great. So we'll see you all later. Have a great day.